Hello everyone, this is Miss Lu and I'm going to explain the quiz. And this quiz of Unit 9 Quiz 1 is pretty straight ahead because we are using the formulas and then we just plug it in. The only difference is that we need to know what shape is that. So the first question we have is a shape like this, and we have 2 meters, and we have 1 and 8/10 meters with a right angle here, and 2 and 5 meters. So what shape is this? So this shape is a parallelogram. So a parallelogram, its area, if we wanted to put the formula here, make sure you know that parallelogram as a quadrilateral, it has 4 sides, and this 4-side shape we do not divide by 2 in the formula. So make sure you plug into the correct formula, and when you copy the cheating chart or the formula, copy it under parallelogram. So I just put a P here. So when we get this question, we need to only identify 2 things. First, base, second, height. So we're going to identify the base. So if we see the base and height, we always need to find this right angle. This right angle is the indicator of base and height. So if that is straight, then the whole thing is so easy. We will have 1 and 8/10 times 2 and 5/10. And then we multiply them together, we will get 4 and 5/10 meters squared. So basically that's what we need to do. Now we have a new shape on question number 2. This one still wants us to decide what shape is this. So in this shape, we have 3 meters here. We have 2 centimeters here with a right angle, and a 9 centimeter here. So what shape is this? Is this quadrilateral? Quadru means 4 sides. So this one is a tri something because it's a 3-sided shape. So the only 3-side thing we learned is triangle. So the triangle area formula, because it's only 3 sides, we always need to divide by 2, and this formula will be given in the formula chart. So make sure you choose the correct one. This one is triangle. And now in here, we need to identify which one is the base, which one is height. So we find the right angle here. We see the right angle. We know that these 2 sides are base and height. Now, this question turned to be very straight ahead. Base is 9 centimeters times height is 2 centimeters divided by 2. So either you do 9 times 2, you get 18, divided by 2, you get 9, or you can do the simplify first, 2 into 2 once, and then it will be 9, and then the unit is centimeters squared. That's question number 2. Question number 3 is a shape like this. So in this one, still we need to know that this is a 4-sided shape, and we see that we have this right angle. We must have a base and a height, but because it's quadrilateral, which means 4 sides, we need to see we have this side and this side parallel to each other, and this side is not parallel to this side. So if we see that, we know it is a trapezoid. So that we're using a formula for trapezoid will be base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 and then multiply by h. And now we need to identify which one is the base 1, base 2, and the height. As we see this right angle, so here must be the height. And the line above it will be base, and the line under it will also be the base. So base 1 on the top, base 2 on the bottom. Now what we need to do is just to plug it in. So now base 1, 3 plus base 2, 6 divided by 2 times 4. So where's that 2 come from? That 2 is from the formula. Always we just copy it to here. So now we got 3 plus 6 is 9 divided by 2 times 4. So 9 divided by 2 is 4.5 times 4 equal to 18. Or you can use 4 divided by 2, you get 2. 2 times 9, still 18 meter squared. Question number 3 is that. Now question number 4 is a shape like this, 4 sides, and then they just give us only 2 sides. We need to decide which one is the base, which one is the height. And the good thing is they gave us so many right angles. So we have 3 right angles in a quadrilateral. What shape is that? That must be a rectangle. So the area of rectangle is base times height as well. And we can take either one as the base or the height, provided we have this right angle. So we can say this one is base, this one's height. And then 1 and 8/8500 times 2 and 2/10. So is that okay? I just ignore that 0 here. Yes, very good. We can, because 20/100 is the same as 2/10. So now we just multiply them together, and the work is a little tricky because I found so many of you made mistakes. So let's do it together. So 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1, 17. And 2 times 1 is 2. So we get 3. Now we repeat the same thing, just different place value, and then add them together. So now how many places behind the decimal point? I can use the green to mark the places behind decimal point. So that is 1, 2, 3. So we have to start from here, 1, 2, 3. And the decimal will be 4.07. So the answer is B. So that's question number 4. So question number 5, we do not have a shape. It says, find the area of a triangle with the base of 12 and 6/10 inches and the height of 5 inches. Put your answer in the gridable. So that's when we have no picture or the graph or the shape to help us, we just draw. So that says if we have a triangle, we can draw a triangle, and the base must be 12 6/10 inches. And then the height is perpendicular to the base is 5 inches. So now we need to rewrite the formula again. The triangle formula will be base times height divided by 2. And now 12 6/10 times 5 divided by 2. So that we get on the numerator, we get 6 3/10 divided by 2. Now, this answer will be, it should be 63 in the numerator, and then 63 divided by 2 will be 31 5/10, and the unit will be inches squared. And some of you may want me to redo the multiplication for you, so let's look at this. So it has 12 6/10 times 5, 5 times 6, 30, 5 times 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, 6. How many places behind decimal point? We have only one place, so that's the decimal point place. Now, when we wanted to divide by 2, we put a 63 inside the division sign. Now 2 into 6, 3 times. And then we get 0. We pull this 3 down. And 2 into 3 once. We have 2 times 1 is 2. Minus, we get a 1. What should we do? We put a decimal point here. And then we can add a 0. So 2 into 10, 5 times, and then we do not have a remainder. So that's how we get the 31 5/10 inches squared. So that's all for my explanation. Please copy down the steps. Please copy down on a separate piece of paper if you want to have a retest. Make sure do your correction step by step. Thank you and good luck.